So I often ask her advice and ask her if I'm in two minds, and now that Tiger is not there, I often ask Soha that what should I do? Should I do this or should I do that?
Well, that definitely is a beautiful bond of give and take, which is something even I share with my mom here. So I think every mother-daughter does have these simple but beautiful moments in their life. है ना माँ?
याद आती है मुझे अपनी माँ स्वर्गीय निर्मला देवी जी की, जो क्लासिकल सिंगर थी, बहुत बड़ी इस देश की। और माँ बेटी की ये अनूठी जोड़ी आपके सामने है, श्रीमती शर्मिला जी और सोहा जी। आदरणीय शर्मिला जी और सोहा जी से मैं इस अभियान का अनावरण करने का अब अनुरोध करती हूँ।
माँ से मजबूती, माँ से माँ से मजबूती, माँ से मजबूती।
Thank you. We start our journey today, a long-winded one, no doubt, but one with conviction and determination to ensure that every young girl in our country continues her education and realizes her full potential. It gives me great pride to request Sharmila ji to unveil the new Clinic Plus campaign as well, along with Soha, Amit, Arun and Kavita.
एक साल और बस एक साल और
बस।
Chaired also Plan India earlier, before COVID. So I'm very, very happy that Plan India and Clinic Plus have come together for this campaign and doing something for rural education and for the girl child, which I think is extremely important. And the lyrics of this song has been written by Gulzar Saab, and it's beautiful and it's really inspiring, and it's been sung very well, it's been composed very well, and a lot of talented people have come together, and I hope this will be a success, because I think it's very necessary, because if you educate the girl child, then you empower the girl child, and a lot of India's future depends on the girl child, I think. Because when you educate a girl, you educate a family. So I really sincerely hope that this campaign takes off. The Clinic Plus and Plan India is already working in UP in 4 areas, and they are trying to reach 1 million mothers. And you saw the film, how the mother is saying, ek saal aur, which is so important. Because otherwise, if the girl doesn't study, the girl is pushed into an early marriage, or her life changes forever. You know, that freedom of going to study and enjoying herself as a young person, all that is closed forever. So I think this opportunity of studying should be given to all the girl children, and that is the end.
So, being a girl child, was there any discrimination between you and Seth any time?
Of course not. Of course not. हम 3 बच्चे हैं, मेरी बड़ी बहन है, एक बड़े भाई हैं, तो कभी मुझे नहीं लगा कि भाई और मेरे बीच में कोई फ़र्क था। मैं अपनी मास्टर्स के लिए बाहर जाना चाहती थी, लंदन में पढ़ना चाहती थी, अपनी अंडर ग्रेजुएट के लिए बाहर जाना चाहती थी। I wanted to go to Oxford, I got into Oxford. So it's expensive, secondary education internationally, but no expense was spared, a lot of support was given. जैसे अम्मा भी कह रही थी पहले प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में कि उनकी फैमिली में 3 बहनें थे, लेकिन उनके अब्बा ने कभी उनको महसूस नहीं करवाया कि वो उनको एक बेटा चाहिए था, and it was a proper full family. So our values have always been that having a daughter and a son, you know, it's to be treated the same, that we're very empowered, the women in our family are very strong, we make a lot of decisions, especially again, as I said, when it comes to education. You get an education abroad, you get an education in your school, you get an education at home. And it has to be one, I think, that encourages each child who has their own dreams to be the best that they can be, to figure out what it is that their career should be, and you get guidance from your family. So I've always been very grateful. My mother has been a very important influence in that. Mothers generally in families are very important influences on their children, which is why I think the stress on Main Se Maan, Main Se Mazbooti, and that is why they're reaching out to mothers especially, who want the best for their children. They want their daughters to have a life that was better than theirs.
Yes.
And when it comes to an education, the one more year they spend in school, the more money they will earn in the future, the more brighter their future will be.